hopefully by next video I'll start to do something else, because I've been doing skirts. I have a lot of skirts that I made by myself but haven't done anything else. So the next step will be something else. Okay, hello. Last time in the video I promised that I'm going to do something else besides skirts. I've kept my promise. I've decided to create Kylie's generous dress, which is the dress I really wanted to have for a long time but I couldn't find anywhere. That was the orange Pretty Little Thing dress she wore somewhere on one of the awards. I really wanted to have this dress but there was no availability on our Pretty Little Thing website, and I've tried to find on other different websites. I couldn't find it, so I've decided to, you know, I have a sewing machine, then I create my own one. So this video I'm going to do that one. See how orange my finger is? It's because my lighting is orange. So what do I need for this outfit is definitely, you know, it's too basic: sewing machine, threads, the matching color, and needles, plus the fabric, so all the basic stuff. And I wasn't planning to sew a zipper into the dress because I thought it was stretchy enough, but when I completed the full dress, I've tried it on and I realized that it didn't fit, like I couldn't put it on because it was too small and it wasn't stretching enough. So I have to remove the stitches on one side and put the zipper. And because I wasn't prepared for a zipper, I didn't have the same, you know, orangey color zipper, because I only have, you know, standard colors like black and white. So I decided to put white one, but it's not recommended to do so. You have to, you know, put the matching color zipper. So while shopping at the fabric store, I found the perfect, like exact same color fabric as Kylie Jenner's dress. Oh my god, this looks perfect. And the fabric texture was pretty similar. I would say it's almost the same. Before actually going to buy fabric, I created a pattern first. What I usually do is I take the, you know, just simple standard pattern, which is a dress, you know, pattern, and I just modified according to the style I wanted, and which is this Kylie's dress. And there will be 3 layers. So one of them is the back one. Back is easy, but the front one will be 2 layers. So, you know, when it goes one side and another side, it's going to be 2 layers on top of each other. For example, so the procedure is easy. I attach 2 front pieces together first to make one full front size, and then I just sew into. Then I attach front and back sides. Here's the dress I've got. I also show the footage, but you know, I'm pretty happy with the result. It's not, I wouldn't be able to say that it's high fashion, but it's something I've created. And also you can wear it like this, you know, when people wear off-shoulder top and you put the dress on top. That's pretty cool. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for joining me in this video. So I hope you enjoyed it and somehow you were interested on my experience, not my experience, but like my journey on how to create clothing, because I want to create a more complicated one. And for the past videos I've been doing only skirts and some simple crafts, but I am planning to develop and I will do some more of the outfits, and I'm having some crazy list in my head, so just keep watching and subscribe to my channel to see my evolution and my videos.